Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to fix the "you need access" error within Google Drive. This is a frequent hurdle many users face, particularly when working with shared materials. Whether you are collaborating on a group task or just trying to view a document, these access restrictions can be quite annoying, but I will walk you through the solution step by step. Start by heading to the Google Drive homepage. You can reach this by opening your web browser and typing drive.google.com into the search bar. Once the site loads, verify that you are signed into your Google account. If you aren't, go ahead and provide your login credentials to move forward. When you reach your Google Drive dashboard, the next move is to navigate to the Shared with Me category located on the left side of your screen. It is important to go here because this tab organizes all the folders and files that others have sent to you. Selecting Shared with Me will display a full list of items, making it much easier to pinpoint the exact file that is giving you trouble. Once you are in this section, look through the list until you find the necessary file. After locating it, click on the item to open a preview. If the "you need access" notification still pops up, don't worry. This just indicates that the person who owns the file hasn't enabled the correct permissions for you to view or modify it yet. The most vital part of the process is requesting access. You can achieve this by reaching out to the person who shared the file via email. Search for their contact info or look through your previous messages for the initial sharing notification. In your email, kindly ask them to update the file's privacy settings to grant you the required permissions. It can be helpful to explain your specific reason for needing access, especially for professional or collaborative projects. After sending your request, you'll need to wait for the owner to take action. Once they update the settings, Google Drive will send you an automated email notification. You can then head back to the Shared with Me area and open the file as usual. That is everything you need to do. Following these steps should clear up any access issues. Remember that reaching out to the file owner is usually the fastest fix. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial proves useful. If you have further questions, please leave a comment below. Happy collaborating, and I'll see you in the next video.